Is your phone moving slower? Don't worry. It's science, not magic, and a few bad habits are also to blame. A slow phone isn't just a coincidence, it's often caused by things you can fix right away. Let's take a closer look. 1. Storage. Your phone has too much storage. When your storage is almost full, your phone starts to struggle to breathe. Clean up clutter. Delete unused apps, old videos, and memes you'll never see again. Move important stuff to the cloud or your SD card. 2. Too many background apps. A cause of battery and slowdown. Are there apps you forgot to close? They're secretly consuming RAM and processing power. Swipe to delete them or use settings to limit background app usage. Activity. 3. Outdated operating system. Stuck in the past. Older OS versions aren't optimized for modern apps, causing your phone to run slowly. Update your phone to the latest version. 4. Poor internet connection. Hidden causes. If your Wi-Fi or data signal is weak, online apps may seem to freeze. Find a stronger signal or change your network. Sometimes, it's not your phone, but your internet. 5. Other slowdown causes. Bad battery. An old battery can slow your phone down to save power. Malware. Viruses consume a lot of resources. Widgets and live wallpapers. While they look good, they consume a lot of power. Aged hardware. Components wear out over time. Quick fix checklist. Restart your phone. Close unused apps. Give your processor a break. Update your OS and apps. Always keep them up to date. Scan for malware. Stay safe. A factory reset is the best option if all else fails. Bottom line. A slow phone doesn't mean it's time to buy a new one. In many cases, a simple digital spring cleaning can make your phone feel like new again.